Hey friends, welcome back to Krusty Cranks. All right, got a little smallmouth pattern I'm gonna do for you here. Got a new stencil I made, and yeah, it's gonna be quick and easy probably. We got 3 colors to do. It's not too bad, pretty easy. So yeah, let's get started. We're gonna use pearlized copper, and then we're gonna use wicked detail umber, and then we're gonna use a little dark brown. Transparent dark brown. So let me get the paints and the brush. Let's start jamming away. Okay, we're shooting for excuse me, we're shooting for a thin little coat going down the sides. Just kind of stop it before it gets on the bottom. We're going to leave the bottom clear. Got a little reducer in there so I can fit it. Spray it thin. Going over the back. Pressure down low so I don't overdo it. I do want to get a little paint down to the bottom. Okay, I'll get a little bit on this other side here. It'll make these cheeks match. Okay. That's all I'm going to do to that. I think I'm just going to dust the bottom just a little bit. Just so it's got some paint on it. But you can still see through it. That's perfect. All right. Get this brush cleaned out and we'll move on to the next color. Okay, next color I'm going with is some Wicked Detail Burnt Umber for the stencil. So I'm going to put a little bit in this here. I'm going to put a little reducer in it. I want to thin it out a little bit because I don't want it to spray on real hard and heavy. And I want to kind of keep some of that transparency. So we're going to put a little 4011 in there. 4011, if you're not using it, you should be using it. Put about 6 drops in there for this little dabble. And then I know everybody always asks the questions about how much reducer and all that. It's really just dependent on the paint. So, you know, you want to get it. Just depends on what you're doing. It's hard to tell you exactly how much. I mean, after you've been painting a while, you start to know what it should look like. And put a couple more little drops in there, about 3 more drops. And really, you kind of want to let this stuff sit for a few minutes and marinate. I used to mix it in the bowl, but I found out that mixing it in the bowl don't work as good. I like to get it to where I can see what it's doing and get it dripping just like that. If it drips, it'll spray. And just let that marinate for a little bit, and we'll put it in the gun and we'll spray that stencil. It's a new stencil I created. The stencil site's kind of down right now. I had a little problem with it, but I'm gonna get it back up as soon as I possibly can, and you'll find links. You'll find a link in there to this one. Okay, let's peel it off, see what it looks like. Okay, we'll get the other side on there. I'll bring you back. Got that side a little darker, but we'll spray a little bit over top of it and blend it in. Okay, I'm gonna take a little of this burnt umber. Buff the back a little bit. And I'm gonna come back over it with that darker brown and really darken up the back. My hose keeps catching up over here. A whole new setup. I got a new compressor. I'll show that to you guys soon. I ended up putting it in the other room because it was just making too much noise. And I ran a 50-foot hose. Bought two 25-foot airbrush hoses with a copper. Join them together. It's looking pretty good, actually. If you notice, you don't hear a compressor running anymore. I really like that part, especially for the video. And it's kind of blending that top of them spots in. And really darken up the back. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Wish I would have got that side a little darker, but it is what it is now. That looks really good right there. This side's a little light, but hey, that happens sometimes. I don't want to get too much on there because it'll cover them up. Okay, last color, transparent dark brown. Createx. I'm going to come across the back. I probably could have deepened it up, but with the burnt umber, but I didn't want to put too much on there. I still want to maintain some transparency through that lure right there. So I'm just going with the deep brown over the back and then around the face a little bit. Still got a little cleaner in my brush, I think. Yep, I think I'm gonna go with that. Let's get a little bit more on this side of the face. My clip. Jeez, I'm just having a hard time with this one. This color. Clip's coming out a little bit. All right, that's it. I'm gonna stay with that. I'll dry this and we'll put the eyes on it. I'll probably just go ahead and put the eyes on it, epoxy it, and show you the finished piece. All right, guys, here's the finished little smallmouth on the 110. Looks good. I like these new lights because they show you guys better colors, I think. Pretty bright. And yeah, looks good. So colors we used today was Createx Pearl Copper. Then we used Detail Burnt Umber. And then we come on top of it with the transparent dark brown Createx. Yeah, and we got the red eyes on there. And let's see, for epoxy, I used the Bob Smith on this one because I wanted to get it done quick and get it out. This is a simple little paint, but it turned out really good. Can't wait till the ice thaws and I can get out there and fish something. But hope you guys enjoying the videos. If you haven't had a chance to see, we have a membership area now. Inside there, we're going to have tons of videos for stencil making and bait business, all kinds of stuff. So check it out. It's $4.99 a month. It's pretty cheap. I just try to keep it cheap so everybody could afford it and jump in. I'm going to put a lot more content on there, bait builds, all different kinds of stuff. So they're all mostly going to be longer form videos too. So I'll have more videos of like really what all the steps is I do, because I know some people don't like the short long videos. It's hard for me to do a short video, but inside there the videos will be more detailed, more broken down. I'll have some special paint jobs that I'm going to do in there, so check it out if you'd like to join in with us. We've got a Discord, a private Discord, where we're going to be exchanging patterns, exchanging ideas, business tips, all kinds of stuff. So definitely, if you're a seller and you want to sell your baits, there's going to be a lot of vital information in there and help from, I've got experienced guys in there that are already selling baits, making money. But check it out. No pressure. If you're serious about it and serious about this as maybe a side hustle, whatever, I can hope you want to think about joining us. Anyway, but all right, my friends, that'll be it for this video. Pretty simple one. Turned out awesome. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when I put up another video. I'm going to try to do some cranking here and get some more videos out. Now that I'm on Whatnot, I'm going to have to be painting a lot more. So, yeah, I'm going to get more videos done. So, all right, my friends, that's it for this one. Stay crusty.